how to measure and set up for a new fence. You got pole, removable pole there, and pole up against. Second pole in, dirt pile, gates, and we got the middle pull-out pole, so it gets a little extra around. And then you got the poles by the house. Yay. Side shows level. Yeah. So all right, we got 100 pounds of concrete right here. Just add some water, mixed it up. This is how it's done, people. Okay, so we put it in the hole. All right, so we got the concrete in the holes. I stamped them down, got all the air bubbles out of them. And then go. I've got the panels all in. They don't look too bad for an amateur, so I've got a little come on. All right, the pole's in, and now we'll just cover it. We'll have our gates installed. All right, so I've closed the gates, so we'll have to move the hardware down a little bit. This side of the gate has to come down up with the gravel. So I've got the gravel put in the holes. Still have that little piece there, but nobody's gonna get through there. And then I got the hinges all locked up. This all leveled out, so the gates are all level now. And that's pretty much how it's gonna be. Am I happy about the gaps? I'm not, but there are some beauty, things that we can put here, kind of keep the dogs from looking out. But so I'll see what I can do at Lowe's there. But as far as installation goes, everything's leveled out. This is our pole we put in yesterday, and it's solid. Just like that. This project all around cost me $398. I was able to build this. I did this primarily by myself. CD and Cadence helped me get the material, but yeah, you could do this on your off time, so I like it. Thanks for watching.